So, good morning, one and all present here. So, the next topic in the professional ethics and human values is use of ethical theories, which we are going to discuss in this video. Let me start with the introduction. So, as we know, professional ethics is based on for any individual who are working in an organization. He might be an employer or employee. He has to suppose to follow the ethical protocol or framework. So by understanding this ethical use of ethical theories, the professionals, working professionals can easily effectively navigate more dilemmas, enhance their decision-making process, and uphold the higher ethical standards within their fields. So let me move on to the next slides where we will see about the importance of ethical reasoning. Let me start with the introduction here. Definition of ethical theories. What the framework we need as an ethical theory, which guide any individuals in determining which is right and wrong in any kind of any real-time situation. And what are all the importance in professional ethics? They provide professionals with structured approaches to tackle ethical dilemmas. And what are all the types of ethical theories which we are going to see inside the slides is utilitarianism, deontology, virtue ethics, and care ethics. So let me explain you one by one with a real-time example. So what is utilitarianism in practice? Let me discuss with the real-time example first. So assume that there is a recruiting company and they are very much interested in recruiting they are very much interested in recruiting the candidates for their profession. So it is actually a multinational company. They have decided to ask help from the AI-based system, resume screening system, where it will screen based on the qualification, skills, experience, and anything. So while doing this, there came a bias here. What it does is, the system has been developed by the HR professionals and data scientists, etc. But after 6 months of this deployment, it has selected only the female candidates and candidates who are shortlisted in the rural institution for low rates. So that is a drawback here. That is the ethical flaw, we can say, or a bias, we can say. So this problem is the ethical problem. How these types of ethics will be handling with the help of for this scenario is, first, the company now will face an ethical dilemma where it should the system should continue because it improves efficiency, but the result is very biased. The result is very biased, and so that is called as utilitarianism. And the next thing is deontological ethics. So deontological ethics is nothing but whether the candidates have given fairness and equal opportunity to the screening has been done. Anyway, the screening has been done by the AI system, whether it is what to say, like fair result and opportunity has been given to everyone who has participated inside this screening process. No, that is tested by the deontological ethics, where duty-based ethics is one of the concept. Professional codes of conduct has been followed or not, and what is the limitation there. And the next is virtue ethics in profession. Virtue is ethics which plays a crucial role in professional ethics, which will conduct the moral character and the importance of virtues. So it will test for moral character and what is the workspace behavior, whether it is positive, foster or not. And the next is critics of virtue ethics, where it has been lagged clearly for the guidance of the action. And the next is integrating all ethical theories. The first approach is holistic approach. The second, we have seen some case studies, and the last one is continuous learning. Any ethical theory which need the analyze here. So n number of scenario has to be analyzed, whether it is followed the holistic approach or not, and whether we are using this continuous learning or not. So what is the conclusion is importance of ethical theories we need to see, future decision or direction, and what is the call of action has been taken. The last is the mind map, which will show you the image kind of representation where we can recall everything. So according to this ethical theory, any kind of scenario, whether it is follow the ethical dilemma or not. So that is the concept for what are all the ethical types of ethical theories. So thank you.